What is all over your face? Come here. Oh, what happened?
No, Mama. Mommy.
What?
That's it. That face.
What is all over your face?
Oh.
Oh.
Boo-boo.
You got a boo-boo. What did you eat? Did you have chocolate? And where's your diaper?
Oh, boo-boo.
You'll be okay. What did you eat?
Pasta.
Pasta and what else? Then why do you have chocolate all over your mouth if you had pasta? You have something on your lips. I can see it. Is it chocolate? Did you eat chocolate? Did you steal some chocolate from somewhere?
That's the baby sound. Mommy, I need
Did you have chocolate? Tell me the truth.
Baby's
No, okay.
Yips, baby. Yips, baby.
Okay, thanks for clearing that up. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye, and you got to get a diaper. Okay. So you didn't have chocolate, right? No chocolate. No.
Okay.